Hello, here's another AQA A-level physics question on simple harmonic motion. If you want to try to answer the question yourself, pause the video now. Got the answer D? Well done. So a metal panel is driven to vibrate at different frequencies. The amplitude is measured for each frequency. The graph shows the variation of amplitude with driven frequency. The damping of the metal panel is increased without changing the mass of the panel. Which graph shows the variation of amplitude with frequency with increased damping? So if we're not changing the mass of the panel, then the resonant frequency is going to remain the same. And we can see the resonant frequency for this particular system is 100 Hertz. We can tell that's the resonant frequency because that's when we get the maximum amplitude. So damping takes energy out of the system, and it has the biggest effect on the amplitude at the resonant frequency. That's normally significantly reduced. It has very little effect on the amplitude at the very low frequencies and at the very high frequencies. So we tend to get a flattening of the amplitude frequency curve. Looks something like that, which looks very much like answer D. If that was useful, subscribe, like and share please, and certainly watch more of them in the series. Thank you for watching.